The LMS Gradebook Column Management setting controls how Perusall Gradebook columns are managed in your LMS. You'll be prompted to choose an option when creating the course, but you can change your mind at any time by navigating to Settings, Scoring, LMS Grade Sync. If you select Perusall creates gradebook columns in the LMS for each Perusall assignment automatically, Perusall will automatically create a gradebook column in your LMS when you create an assignment in Perusall, and will sync the scores for that assignment to the automatically created gradebook column. Also, if you use Canvas, you'll see these represented as Canvas assignment links, which then provide a direct link for students to individual Perusall assignments. If you prefer to manage your LMS gradebook on your own, choose the second option titled Instructor Creates Deep Links in LMS. No Perusall gradebook columns will appear in the LMS until deep links have been created. So with this option selected, Perusall will not create any gradebook columns automatically. Instead, you will create deep links to specific assignments in Perusall, and that will prompt us to create a gradebook column for that specific assignment in the LMS. To add a deep link, each LMS is slightly different, so feel free to skip to your specific LMS. So in Blackboard, you are going to navigate to your course, and then you're going to click on a content area. Then next, you're going to click Build Content, and you will select the Perusall Deep Link button. In Blackboard Ultra, you are going to go to your course. You're going to select a content area. You're next going to click the plus sign, and then you're going to click Content Market, and then you're just going to scroll down until you see the Perusall Deep Link button. Moving on to Desire to Learn, or Brightspace, you're going to go to your course. Again, you're going to go to a content area. You're going to select Click Existing Activities, and then you'll scroll until you find the button titled Perusall Deep Link. In Moodle, you're going to go to your course. Again, go to a content area. Turn on editing mode. Next, click Add Activity or Resource, and click Perusall Deep Link. Moving on to Canvas, you're going to go to your course, go to a content area, and you're going to click Add Assignment. Next, you're going to say More Options. And the submission type, you will then click External Tool, and you will click again and find the Perusall link. And just to note with Canvas, normally when creating deep links, Perusall will also bring over the assignment instructions, but this may be undesirable when the instructor or learning designer has already set up instructions in the learning management system. So there is a checkbox checked by default in the deep link content selector, and it titles Import Assignment Instructions to LMS, and that can be unchecked to skip importing the instructions into Canvas. Again, if you have any questions, we're happy to help. You can reach out to us at support@perusall.com or click Get Help at the top of any page in Perusall. Our knowledge base also contains information on this and many other topics.